Should we believe in naturalistic mega-evolution just because it is claimed to be consensus biology? Is consensus biology always right? Some evolution believers claim that evolution is consensus biology, and so we should not challenge it. Is that claim correct? The reality is that biology has a long history of being wrong. We will list more than 30 examples of this later in this video. So, there is no need for any rational person to accept naturalistic mega-evolution just because many, but not all biologists believe in it. Item 1. Naturalistic mega-evolution. The claim of single-cell to human evolution by random chance and natural selection has had a long history of world-class scientists who have been skeptical of it. So, it is completely valid for us to join such world-class scientists in being skeptical of naturalistic mega-evolution. Item 2. There is no valid evidence for naturalistic mega-evolution. The evidence confirms microevolution, adaptation of a species inside a genus or family. But the evidence falsifies naturalistic mega-evolution, the claim of single-cell to human evolution. Item 3. Math shows that there is not enough time, in the entire 4.5 billion-year history of the Earth, for random chance to create all of the nucleotide changes needed to create all of the taxa-specific orphan genes in the biosphere. Item 4. Math shows that there is not enough time, in the entire 4.5 billion-year history of the Earth, for natural selection to substitute all of the nucleotide changes in the animal populations for all of the taxa-specific orphan genes in the biosphere. Item 5. Alleged consensus biology has a long history of being wrong, so it is completely valid for any intelligent person to be skeptical of claims that consensus biology has proved naturalistic mega-evolution to be true. Biology. Here is a list of claims that biology has been wrong on. 1. Ineffectiveness of hand-washing in medicine. 2. Miasma theory of disease. 3. 4 bodily humors theory of disease. 4. Static proteins. 5. Phrenology. 6. Homunculus theory. 7. Bad air as the cause of malaria. 8. Telegony and inheritance. 9. Oscillatory blood circulation. 10. Preformation in embryology. 11. Bloodletting as medical treatment. Evolutionary biology. Here is a list of claims that evolutionary biology has been wrong on. 1. Spontaneous generation of life from organic matter. 2. Piltdown man, fraud made from a human skull with orangutan jawbone. Piltdown man was viewed as a missing link between humans and apes. 3. Nebraska man, actually a pig tooth, claimed to be a human ancestor. 4. Peking man claimed to be a direct human ancestor, later reclassified as not a direct human ancestor. 5. Java man claimed to be a missing link between apes and humans, later reclassified. 6. Lamarckian inheritance of acquired characteristics. 7. Lysenkoism for crop improvement. 8. Eugenics for human improvement. 9. Simple protoplasmic cells. 10. Simple static proteins. 11. All dinosaurs as cold-blooded slow creatures. 12. Universal gradualism. 13. Single tree of life. 14. All of the core tenets of Darwinism. 15. Biogenetic law. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny. 16. Universally consilient phylogenies. 17. Universally consilient nested hierarchy. Here are additional failed predictions of evolution. Evolutionary biology. List 2. 1. DNA code is not special. 2. The cell's fundamental molecules are universal. 3. Mutations are not adaptive. 4. Competition is greatest between neighbors. 5. Protein evolution. 6. Histone proteins cannot tolerate much change. 7. Molecular clock keeps evolutionary time. 8. Pentadactyl pattern and common descent. 9. Serological tests reveal evolutionary time. 10. Biology is not lineage specific. 11. Similar species share similar genes. 12. MicroRNA. 13. Genomic features are not sporadically distributed. 14. Gene and host phylogenies are congruent. 15. Gene phylogenies are congruent. 16. Species should form an evolutionary tree. 17. Complex structures evolved from simpler structures. 18. Structures do not evolve before there is a need. 19. Ultra-conserved elements. 20. Nature does not make leaps. 21. The major plant groups share a common ancestor. 22. Altruism. 23. Cell death. We will discuss these failed predictions in future videos. Conclusion. Biology has a long history of being wrong, and so does evolutionary biology. So, there is no need for any rational person to accept naturalistic mega-evolution, simply because many, but not all biologists believe in it. Thanks to Dr. Cornelius Hunter, PhD in Biophysics and Computational Biology, University of Illinois, for the information in List 2 above. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.